All right, welcome to another episode from the Chart Reader. So I'll be honest with you, I've got a really busy Monday today. So I wanted to do more than just a regular thank you videos. Honestly, where my head was at. So this is gonna be less about technical analysis and just more my general thoughts. All right. Obviously, I would very much love if you can subscribe, if you can like the video, comment, share, all that sort of noise. Right. But hey, end of the day, you know how much I love you guys and gals, and let me just give you some thoughts. Okay. Look. I have not held a stock long term in about 3 years. Honestly, since I became this like technical machine that I'm trying to pretend to be. You know what I mean? But look, back in the day, I used to buy stocks that I thought I did a really good job of finding that diamond in the rough. I thought I did really good due diligence. I did my DD right. Like I found what looked like it had really good potential to make this crazy money. Like I'm telling you, I was what a lot of people are, which is just a regular long-term investor, right? And man, today's XELA 200 to 1 reverse split. Look, and I know that seems like a big number, but end of the day, like Mullins 1 to 35, a 1 to 20, I mean, a reverse split of 1 to anything is horrible. And man, let's be honest. I know that they say that there are voting rights that you get as an investor and things like that. And I've gotten the things in the mail that say, hey, now is the time to vote. Go to here, call here, and let us know what you want. Like, get the fuck out of here, all right? And I try not to curse so much. You know that, all right? Because I don't know who's watching this, and I try to be respectful, right? But get the fuck out of here, all right? I have no say. I have no vote. What I do is completely irrelevant. In all honesty, when I say me, I also do mean you, all right? We are not voting for shit, all right? The people making the decisions, like they're probably calling each other, right? It's these funds, it's the people on the board, it's the insiders, right? Like they have enough to make the rules, and I'm telling you, they really don't care about this 1 for 200 split. Because if I had to guess, they already got their bonuses last year, right? And at this point, whatever, we'll figure it out next year. Or like, end of the day, they knew this was coming, all right? And they could plan accordingly. It is really hard as a regular investor to recover from something like this, all right? And I swear this has nothing to do with XELA alone. Like I'll flash Mullen right here, all right? Shit, I will flash MNMD, excuse me, Mind Medicine. I remember this bad boy did a nasty little reverse split. I wish I can find where it was really quickly. It was right here. They did the 1 to 15 right here. Look, and they reversed it to 11. We're sitting at 3 right now, right? Like it's this is why I'm a swing trader. This is why I'm a day trader when I've got the time to do it intraday, right? And this is why I don't hold long. And look, you know I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. You know I'm not here to tell you that like charting is the way to go. You know I'm not here to do any of that stuff, but I'm giving you a perspective that I can't believe so many people are listening to, and I feel like I've owed this video for a bit, and I think today's a good time to do it. I'm telling you, I've said this for Mullen, and I'm going to say it for this one. In my head, this stock eventually is going to go back to where it was before it split. Okay, and look, I do not have 5-cent dreams on a $3 stock. We are so far away from this thing, going back down, like I said, to single cents, right? That said, where are we? We're in all-time lows, all right? We're under all the moving averages, and there's no reason to believe we're gonna get back over the 5 and the 10. Just because we did this split doesn't mean shit, you know what I mean? So sorry to curse so much on this video, but a little passionate, you can tell, right? So again, I thought this was a little bit cooler than just a thank you video. Obviously, there's a lot of thank you in this, right? But yeah, I'll just end it with thank you. Thank you.